Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the Max Chase from the Funko Black Friday mystery box. This character is from the Disney cartoon Goof which aired in the early 90s. It also had two movies released, a Goofy movie and an extremely goofy movie. The only difference between this version and the regular one is the inclusion of a skateboard. Even though it's a minor difference, I think it adds a lot to the character and makes it more fun. Here's the front view of the character. The side view with the skateboard. The back view. And the other side. Here's the view from the top and the bottom. My only complaint is the separate mouth and nose piece from the rest of the head, but at least it's consistent with the Powerline pop vinyl, which is from the same cartoon. Hope you enjoyed the video.